Hello, everyone, and welcome back to another episode of Business Conversations. Today, we have a very interesting person, Mr. Mahesh Kadiravan from Vibrant Mumbai. He is a business freedom coach, an upcoming author, and someone who's passionate to find smart ways to save money. So let's learn something from him today. Hello, Mahesh. How are you doing?
Amazing. How are you?
I'm doing good. Thank you. Thank you for your time.
Thank you. Thank you so much for inviting me on this conversations.
So let's start with a short introduction, Mahesh. Tell us about yourself and what do you do?
So I am a financial freedom. I mentor people. So I am on a mission to make 1 lakh people financially literate and achieve financial freedom. In this process, I help businessmen, entrepreneurs, common man, working individuals to be financial, to know the nuances of financials, which can make them achieve a financial freedom.
Mahesh, from your point of view, what is the single largest problem you solve for your customers?
Two problems with most of the clients which I encounter is that they know the information how to manage their personal finances with respect to their family related or business perspective, but the main thing is that the implementation is not there, which is where I come into picture. I train them, I handhold them, and I guide them how to get out of this particular debt and implementing all the techniques of financial and get on with their life.
Great. Sounds interesting. What is your advice for someone who's looking for a financial planning? What is the advice you give somebody who walks in and says, Mahesh, help me with my finance?
So there's a two perspective to this question. The businessmen or entrepreneurs will be coming to me, so I will be telling them majorly from the business finance perspective. And the working individuals who want to manage their finance, like coming after a debt, because credit card debts are really a big rabbit hole. I can help them to guide how to come off their credit card debt, home loan, how they can reduce their home loan interest techniques, which I have learned and I've implemented in my life, and I've come out from them successfully. So I can teach them, I can mentor them, and I can handhold them for the time till they achieve their financial freedom and they come out these this kind of. So there are two types of services which I provide. One is the one-to-one consultations, wherein I fix a meeting with the client, and then we do a detailed financial planning analysis with respect to his business if he's an entrepreneur, with respect to his working individual, so he will be with respect to personal finance structures, everything. And then we get into the deep analysis of where exactly he is lacking and where he is not able to get the most out of that particular. This is one type of training which I do. Second is that a group coaching which I do. They can come to my online coaching hub where I have designed some courses, which is all pre-recorded videos. They can get onto it, can learn at their own pace, and they can have a weekly mastermind call where I guide them, I handle them, I solve their problems which they have in day-to-day life. Monthly also we have an online meetup wherein I will help them to get to that particular one problem which is lagging them. That kind of coaching I also provide.
Great, Mahesh. So tell us a little bit about yourself.
So basically, I am from Nagarkoil, Tamil Nadu. I am since living in Dombivli, which is around 36, 37 years old. I am still living in this city, and my schooling, my education, everything has been done in Mumbai only. The way I started my financial freedom career is that I had went to one watch store with my father, and I liked one watch, and I asked him, Father, can I buy this watch? I really like this watch. He said one thing: the thing which you will buy with your own money will be really very valuable to you than the one which I will buy to. This sentence really strange to in my mind. I thought that I need to earn money with myself, and that's where I started to doing my part-time jobs. I started earning 1 or 2 thousand rupees. At 2003, it was very good amount in times of a college going with no experience, and started to saving 100 rupees. Again, a turning point came to my life when I was working in a corporate bank, and suddenly the corporate bank told me that to get out of the bank, and that's where I took the decision to become an entrepreneur. In 1.5 years, I became a financial freedom, and I started to teach the people with the kind of struggle I had gone through. I don't want my clients to go through because they are the ones, they are still suffering now. I want to reach to that kind of people who want to achieve financial freedom and be a financial literate. This is where the journey actually started. And still though I am a long way to go because my mission is of reaching 1 lakh people, and still I am on the path of that.
It's a very noble cause you're doing, Mahesh. So I wish you well and hope you all do all the best. So that was Mahesh Kadiravan, Finance Freedom Coach from Mumbai. I'm sure you enjoyed this episode with him. You can reach out to him for his services with the details mentioned in the description. This is Grenville, and I will be back next week with more interesting personalities